My name's Haris, and I go to Kentucky Wesleyan College in INBRE, Kentucky, and I'll be an up-and-coming junior this fall. My project involves looking at alpha-synuclein, which is the protein that is responsible for Parkinson's disease. And actually, this protein aggregates in the brain. So we're looking for this protein in Drosophila, which are fruit flies, and it's been a pretty good model for Parkinson's disease. So we're going to look for the aggregation in the brain, in the eye, and in the motor muscles in the thorax region. So once you add paraffin to the top and you have the ring, the flies are actually in here, and then eventually when you take it off the hot plate, the bottom layer will kind of harden. So then you'll actually be able to orient it. So you can see some of the flies right here, and then you can actually just orient them on the head. So depending on what the sections you want for the eye or the brain or the thoraces, we'll either orient them nose down so we can get the brain sections, or orient them on the nose so we can get the eye sections, or actually just flat to get the thoraces section. We're also working with this protein called SIRF, which no one really knows much about. So we have these SIRF mutants, and we think these SIRF mutants will actually prolong this process. So instead of seeing it, what studies have published is you'll actually see the results, and you'll see these aggregates and Parkinson formation in flies at 4 weeks, but we expect it maybe around 6 weeks to actually see the aggregates with the SIRF protein. We're still working out the protocol for the embedding process, but once we work out that whole procedure, we'll be able to actually get the staining done, and we'll be able to see the aggregates hopefully around 6 weeks. So I learned a lot. Labs in college don't really give you a true idea of what research is, because you're only in lab per class. You're in there once a week for 3 hours, whereas in here you're working full time. And it's really it's a great opportunity, and I think I've made the most of it, and I've learned a lot about what research consists of. And without the program, without this experience, I really wouldn't know what a true scientific researcher does, and how graduate school is, and how true science is.